Hello and welcome to Guide Clips. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon. So here in this video, I will teach you how you can use this masking effect for the text and for the photos. So here you can see that on the screen I have written the text. You can return here text by clicking on the text option on the Illustrator. Here you can see that. Now after that, import image by clicking on the image option, and here I have imported this image, and now I will drag that to fit in the frame. And here you can see that now the image has height text. So here you have to press Ctrl and left bracket half, and after that your text will appear in front of the image. Now you can see that, and here now you have to select the whole area, the image and the text. Here double click and here choose make a clipping mask. Now here you can see that our image has been clipped inside our text, and that's how you can use that to create any different type of text with clipping. Now here I have imported an image, and now I will make a rectangle. And here just click on fill and then select the color that you want to put in your rectangle. Now here I want to mask my image into this rectangle. So here for clipping, just you have to put in your image behind your rectangle as I did. Now here you have to select this rectangle and your image, and after that selecting, you have to go to make clipping marks, and you can see that our image has been clipped. That was all about how you can apply clipping marks on your image in the square shape. Here you can also go to shape again. Now go to shape, and here in shape select circle. Now here move your picture, and here adjust the picture in the square as you want your picture to look like. Now after adjusting, go and select the whole picture and square. Now after that, double click, and here you have the option make clipping marks. You can see that now our picture has been converted into the square. And that was all about how you can use these clipping marks for text and for the images. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.